Okay, kiddos, today we're going to do some English workshop to help establish some foundational ideas about subject-verb agreement. So you're going to need to get out your English workshop book, a highlighter, and at least one color pen, whatever color you'd like, okay? So get out your English workshop book and those items and we'll get ready to go. Okay, we need to turn to page 129 in your book. And today we are going to work with compound subjects and compound verbs. Okay, so I'd like us to understand what a compound subject is. Let's circle it. A compound subject consists of two or more subjects. Okay, so it's two or more subjects that are joined by a conjunction, okay, and have the same verb, so they share the verb. Okay, the conjunctions most commonly used to connect the words of a compound subject are and or. Okay, let's circle that. Lucia and Donald bought refreshments for the team. Who bought refreshments? Lucia brought them, Donald brought them. Lucia and Donald form the compound subject. So we have two subjects, Lucia and Donald brought the refreshments. Okay, now here comes the rule part. When more than two words are included in the compound subject, the conjunction is generally used only between the last two words. Also, the words are separated by commas. So, Lucia, Donald, and Sophia brought refreshments for the team. Compound subject has actually three. Correlative conjunctions may be used with compound subjects. Either Lucia or Donald will bring refreshments for the team. Okay, compound subject, Lucia and Donald. A compound verb consists of two or more verbs that are joined by a conjunction and have the same subject. So it's just the other side of the construction. The photographer ran up the aisle and snapped the president's picture. So he ran and snapped, joined by the conjunction. I listened to the game on the radio, but conjunction, missed the fourth inning. So it's two predicates, okay, two verbs going on, all right? Our team won, there's one verb, 4 games, lost 2, there's another verb, and conjunction tied 3. So there are 3 verbs in this construction. Congress will either approve, will is a helping verb, approve the bill, or will suggest some changes. So there are 2 verbs here, will approve, will suggest. Notice that in the last sentence, the helping verb will is not repeated before the second verb, suggest. In compound verbs, the helping verb may or may not be repeated before the second verb if the helper is the same for both verbs. So they could just put it that one place, but it actually goes with both. Okay, now I need you to go ahead and do exercise 8, identifying compound subjects and their verbs. In each of the following sentences, underline the compound subject once, okay, and the verb twice. So let's do the exercise or the example. Birds and lizards, compound subject, once, might be, twice, modern relatives of dinosaurs. Okay, let's do number 1 together. Either Tanya or May Ellen, compound subjects, will win the election. Will win is the verb. It's not compound, but it's a helping verb and a verb. Okay, I want you to do the remaining questions, so number 2 through 10, and then I need you to also do exercise 9, which is the same procedure, okay? And then go ahead and turn off the video as you're doing these, and when you're finished doing exercise 8 and 9, turn it back on and you can check your answers. Now, it's really important that you check your answers carefully and make sure you understand what you're doing, okay? So after the video is over, then you can come and see me if you have any questions, all right? That's it. Okay, here are the answers for number 2 through 10 for exercise 8 and number 1 through 10 for exercise 9. I'm gonna scroll upward in just a moment, so check your answers and just pause the video right now for exercise 8. And then I'm going to scroll up so you can see the answers for exercise 9. You can pause the video if you need to do so. And remember, please come ask for help if you don't understand the answers. Oh my goodness, I forgot the last few. Let me fix those last few. sorry, number 10. Oh, it's just me, not me. There we go. I'm so sorry. There we go. So 8, 9, and 10 down there. Okay, thanks.